Hello there, Taylor with Armageddon Report. We've got 4 tropical related storms to talk about. Let's take a look at the Northwest Pacific first, where we've now got Typhoon Jelawat / Larwin down from super typhoon status for several days in a row. Still typhoon warnings for Taiwan, and if we look at the JMA marine warnings, that's what this page is. Lots of typhoon warnings, all of the red areas typhoon warnings. Ewiniar, the storm warnings out and gale warnings out for Ewiniar. If we take a look right here, that is where Ewiniar is. And then we've got a new area. Well, actually, it was before. It was here yesterday. 94 WP is what this is. But the JTWC, that's the new thing, is that there is actually now a probability outlook on it. But it's just low. It goes low, medium, high. So the chance, of course, that this thing will turn into a tropical cyclone in the next 24 hours, low as of now. New one out here in the Eastern Pacific, Norman, Tormenta Tropical. There are, in fact, warnings in effect, a tropical storm warning. In fact, if we go to this page, we scroll all the way down, you can see there's Tormenta Tropical warning in effect for parts of the Mexico coast. Right, however, since this is an Eastern Pacific storm, if you were to go to, for instance, the Espanol page, there isn't any data because the NHC only puts out the Spanish outlook for the Atlantico. So I'll tell you, lluvias, right, intensos, and vientos muy fuertes or something is what those things would be, rainfall and wind. So yeah, lluvias, torrenciales, I think that's how they say that. Anyway, so rainfall and wind are the land have the peligros afectando tierra, or whatever it is. That's what's going on with Norman right now. Norman, however, if you scroll down to this, the remnants of the one I've already forgotten is that Miriam. The remnants of Miriam actually look way more like a Tormenta Tropical than, Norman does. Let's see, yeah. And of course it's not going to work. So yes, wait. There we go. I don't know why it sticks on that. But see, look, there's a clearly defined center of pressure there, or center of rotation. Right, and one more. We've got Hurricane Nadine. There's a satellite for this one. Nope, I guess because once it gets too far east, the satellites, they don't cover the stuff that goes past a certain point for some reason. Anyway, Nadine back up to hurricane status. And this is for the second time. Yes, Nadine is just kind of going all around and hanging about, and there's the Azores Islands, so potential impacts to the Azores at some point in the future. Based on the spaghetti models, possibly. I don't know, but that's a little bit far out to tell. However, right now, ninguna peligros afectando tierra, or however they'd say that. Right. And speaking of peligros afectando tierra or something, we have vientos and no hail and tornadoes. That's how you say that in Spanish. Tornado, I think. Or potato, I don't know. Anyway, here's what's going on with this, where we've got the 5% chance of winds today, so not a huge threat. In fact, if you notice, there's not even a yellow area on the map because there's no 15% area. So that's where 58 miles per hour and greater winds are possible down here in Florida and along these parts of the East Coast. Hail, not apparently a threat today. Tornadoes, a threat for this tiny area. That's a 2% chance since you can barely read the number. I just happen to know the green. That's the 2% chance. Right, so that's all that there is for today. Tomorrow is also quite low as of now, and then days 4 through 8. So yes, it is indeed getting to be the wintry type months where not as much happens. However, there have still been outbreaks, that have happened. I think there was I don't remember what year, so I won't even try to guess, but there was like a fairly big day. It probably was not a high risk, but like a moderate risk day that happened in like a November time frame. So yes, that's why you have to keep paying attention, because it could happen. However, I don't know. So viewweathertv.com is the official homepage of the screencast. Wix is WICKDWX.com. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. Let's go on over here, and we'll finish by leaving the satellite view on. There you go. There's the big bad boy Jelawat. Yes, who's headed for Japan. And apparently, this isn't completely aligned properly However, it looks like outer bands of Jelawat might already be hitting mainland Japan. Anyway, that's it for today. Enjoy your day.